random underscore state and shuffle together. I am kind of confused here about using random underscore state and shuffle together. I want to split the data without shuffling it. It seems to me that when I set shuffle to false, it doesn't matter what is the number I choose for random underscore state. I have the same output. The splits are the same for random underscore state 42 or 2, 7, 17, etc. y. But if shuffle is true, I have different outputs, splits, for different random underscore states, which makes sense.
If you set shuffle to false, train underscore test underscore split just reads in your data in its original order. Therefore the parameter random underscore state is completely ignored. Example: as soon as you set shuffle to true, random underscore state is used as seed for the random number generator. As a result, your data set gets randomly split into train and test set. Example with random underscore state equals 42. Example with random underscore state equals 44.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.